Hi everyone, today we're going to make Gajar ka halwa for Purna Patre's kitchen. So for that we'll need 1/3 cup ghee, half cup sugar, half cup milk, 1.5 cup grated carrots and a pinch of cardamom powder. We'll also need a kadai and an Indian spatula. So first we'll heat the kadai and we'll put the ghee and the carrots, the grated carrots. And we're gonna stir them till they are soft. Since the carrots are soft and heated, we're gonna put some milk into it. So after putting some milk, we're gonna let it boil, and after that we're gonna put some sugar in it. So we're gonna stir it until it is boiled. So since the milk is heated and boiled, we're gonna add some sugar in it. So now we're gonna stir it and make sure the sugar goes everywhere and it's spread it. So I've been stirring it for 10 to 12 minutes, and as you can see, the ghee is coming out. So basically your halwa is ready. And now we're gonna just put a pinch of cardamom powder. And we're gonna just stir it. And now I'm gonna put some dry fruits. They're optional. You can put any dry fruits, but I prefer pistachio and almonds. So let's put some. So I'm gonna put them little by little. And now our halwa is ready. So as you can see, our Gajar ka halwa is ready. This is very tasty and yummy. I made this for Purna Patre's kitchen. I am Latika, Purna Patre's niece. I am Ramyashri Kulkarni. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.